Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So I'm actually done with my day. I never hopped on. I did get a few pictures today. I harvested a ton of amaranth. It's getting to the end of life where it's getting seedy and starting to turn brown. So I harvested a bunch and put it in the cooler. If I don't use it, maybe I can hang it upside down and try to dry it in a cool place, like a cool dark place, so that maybe it keeps some of its color. And I harvested the amaranth that was by the snapdragons just so I could get by my snapdragons easier. And then I also harvested my second succession of amaranth, which is looking a lot like my first succession of amaranth. So I'm not real sure if I need a succession of amaranth or not. I'm kind of going back and forth on it. Maybe I could plant one a little later than I did this year and it would hold me through. In any case, I do know I do not need as much amaranth as I put in this year. So next year, I think I'm gonna stick to maybe 5 or 6 plants of each color. And that's probably all the amaranth I need. I just don't go through the amount that I have out in the field. And it is a beast of a plant to take down and get rid of. So lesson learned on that. And then it kind of warmed up this afternoon. The sun is shining. It's not that bad. It's in the 80s, which is actually really beautiful, but I was gifted all of these vases. So I got a ton of amaranth harvested, and I was kind of just getting it off my snapdragons and other plants, and then I went and harvested as much as I could. And we'll see if any shoots come back this fall. I don't know. It might be too late for it. I do have a florist order for tomorrow, and I had a couple bouquet orders today, so I did those. And when I ran home from lunch, check this out. Those were just sitting in totes gifted to me by somebody that thought I could use them. So I spent the afternoon and kind of cleaned them up, got them ready to go. I usually bleach or put some kind of solution. I don't use bleach anymore because it burnt my eyes so bad, but I use these stearin tablets, which are what restaurants do in bars. I mean, when they wash your glasses, you wash it in soapy water, you rinse it, and you put it in that. And so I put all my vases in that. I figure if it's clean enough to drink out of, it should be clean enough for my flowers. And then I do, after it sits in that, usually you set them out to dry. And I actually do rinse mine off just because I don't want any of that solution in the water. But yeah, they gifted me a whole bunch of different, a lot of these look like pots, but they don't have holes in them. So they would definitely hold flowers. And these are super cute. I'm tempted to keep these just to keep knickknacks in here and make it look cute around here. But we'll see. And then these, I was trying to think of what I could do with. So if any of you guys know, I was thinking these would hold a lot of water and be heavy, so they'd probably be really good for just holding a couple sunflower stems. I don't know. And then I did have a few pots with holes in them, so I just washed them up and cleaned them up, and I'll find homes for those. So I thought that was a really lovely gesture. So nice. I decided I would just clean them up and get them put away, and so that would be done. So I did that. And then I talked to a couple of people. I got an order for a florist tomorrow. I delivered some bouquets. Video. I do plan on putting a video together. Maybe I won't talk a whole lot of just the Cosmos vase life. Cosmos on day 6. This one's kind of hanging because it's getting heavy, but it still looks really pretty. This one's still upright and beautiful. These are still opening. This one opened. So yeah, day 6, they're good. So that will be coming. And then I do want to go through my field and tell you things that I like versus the things that I didn't like this year. For instance, next year I will not be netting amaranth. I will not be netting cosmos. I will still net my lisianthus and my snapdragons. There's some varieties of things that I really like. There's some varieties of things that I didn't like that much. There's things I planted too much of, things I planted too little of. And so I'm just kind of gonna go through that on a video. And that way I have it too. When next year rolls around, I can kind of look back and be like, okay, I'm definitely gonna plant more celosia, you know, just things like that. So I wanna do a video like that pretty soon. Tomorrow I do have a florist order, and I do have a lot of harvesting to do. Thursday is my subscription, so Thursdays are really busy, and then Fridays I get ready for the farmer's market. So I'm hoping that I can put a video like that together early next week and get that going while there's still flowers on the farm. I can't believe it's going to be September here soon. Just blown away. And I think I'm feeling the end of the season. I feel like I really went after it all season long, and I've kind of slowed down. Just in the last few days, I've slowed down a little bit, and, you know, just taking some time to reflect on what I want to do different next year, and I want to do a little bit more of that. I am going to leave some of the flowers this year instead of cleaning it all up, but I do have to clean some things up because I need to get ready for like planting my tulips and things like that in the fall. So I'll probably be thinking about that and sharing that information with you. And that was pretty much a day in the life of the flower farmer today. I hope everybody has a fantastic day, and I hope I see you in the next one.